Happy New Year. So in front of us we have this box that our friend Adam has given back to us when we were in Indianapolis in November for PASIC. So I don't know if you know, but we've been sending food parcels to Adam and his family to try out with typical British sweets and snacks. So he's decided to give us our very own box.
Excited?
Yeah.
Alright. So we'll just have a little sneak. So we've got what we call a menu. So we'll put that to one side. And the first thing we're going to test is... Oh!
Yeah.
So we've got some jalapeno Cheeto cheddars. Cheddar Cheetos. Are you ready? You like spicy stuff, don't you?
No.
So we've got a couple of glasses of water, a couple of spoons,
Thank you.
and a bowl should we need it. So you can go first, or you take one, we'll all try them together. Now we normally bring Cheetos back across from the States when we go, so we all like spicy stuff apart from Cece, isn't that correct?
Yes.
Right, here we go then. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's not even that spicy.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you want another one?
No thanks.
Can I have another one, please?
Yeah.
I'll just take it.
It's a little bit of heat, I'm guessing it gets more the more you get. Okay. Mmm. Very crunchy.
Feel good? Like them.
So we'll read this afterwards, I think. So we won't spoil anything. What has he written in? So let me just read what he's written at the start. Wrote at the start. Okay, hello Stu and Danny, here are some of mine and my daughter's favourite snacks and treats from the US. I'll give you a wide variety of snacks from sweet to savoury to weird. We like that, don't we?
Yeah.
Now I want you both to make a taste video so we can see your reactions.
Can I pick one out as well now?
Yeah. Put your hand in. Mystery box. What we got?
Snubbles.
Ooh, they sound good.
Snowballs.
Oh,
So I'm guessing these are, well, they're looking, so coconut and marshmallow covered chocolate cakes with creamy filling. So I'm guessing a bit like a Twinkie style marshmallowy.
I like
That
them.
looks
Puff cakes.
Right.
And I've just touched one. Squidgy.
So how do you want to do this? Do you want to take a bite each? Or do you want to try and break it in half?
They're going to see inside.
Okay, break it in half.
Right, you break yours.
This is ours.
This is ours, is it?
Yes.
Do you want to break ours in half? Ooh, look at the bottom of it.
Ooh.
Oh,
Gets
this is
everywhere.
Oh, look at mummy making a right mess.
Looks good though. Oh, the good bit.
Oh, you will you?
Thank you.
Looks soft, isn't it? So not like a Twinkie then.
Mmm.
Mmm. I'd have put the whole thing in.
Mine's bigger.
What, your mouth?
Both.
I like the marshmallowy bit.
See, I'd like that with a cup of coffee.
It tastes like plastic.
You don't like it?
No.
So not hit with you? Do you like them? Do you like them?
Not bad, but it's not something that I would have.
Right then, should we try the next one? Ooh, so we've got
Wow.
unicorn snack pots.
Oh, I've heard of snack packs.
Snack packs.
Well, I think I saw it on Billy Madison.
I'm already excited.
Hashtag.
Yes, unicorn.
I don't like the look of this. It's a bit.
Slime.
Shall I get some more spoons?
I'm gonna eat off the lid.
It looks like slime.
Would you have a little?
Yeah. I like
Can I have a
unicorns.
smell?
Thank you.
Is it strawberry?
That's well.
No.
Is it strawberry?
Think so.
Oh. It's thicker than it. I thought it'd be like a yogurt. It's thicker.
Yeah, I
It's like a moussey type.
Angel delight.
know. Moussey
Yeah.
yogurt.
Yeah, like an angel delight.
Can I have a try?
I've got a proper try. This is not my sort of thing, I don't think.
It tastes like if you got a candle, you melted it,
Oh,
and then
no.
you just ate it.
That sounds really appetising, Oliver.
Tastes really weird.
Oh, I like that.
Mm-mm.
No. So, is that
Oh,
sweet, is
no.
savoury, or is that a weird? I'm
Oh,
hoping that's the weird.
Yeah.
It's that aftertaste.
So is that a no from everybody for that one?
Mm.
Yeah, we're not keen on that one.
Your
Do you want
turn.
to put your hand in?
You can, it's gonna.
That's it, it's not. Stop looking!
Oh. So I'm guessing we'll have to go and prepare this.
Oh, can I do it?
Noodles. Yeah.
Hot and spicy beef flavour ramen noodle soup.
Or can I do it?
Can you have some chopsticks with it, please?
So Oliver go get that.
Right,
In meantime,
So we'll just wait for Oliver to get back.
yeah.
Shall I just
And
pause
we'll be
it?
back in a bit.
see ya.
Right, okay, that's us back. We've got the ramen there cooking, so while that's all settling in, we'll do one more snack while we're in. My turn, is it?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yes,
So-
I love cinnamon.
cinnamon toast crunch.
Is that cereal?
So it is cereal. I don't know whether this is an actual bag of cereal or whether it's just like a snack.
Cinnamon grahams.
So do you use this as like you would do milk, or do you just?
I think we're just gonna eat it like that. Like I did.
Right, should we just do it like this?
Yeah.
We all like cinnamon, don't we? So this should be
Anything cinnamon's good, right?
this should be a nice one. Mmm.
Mm-mm-mm.
Yeah, no.
They're good. Like them.
So I'm guessing these can just be like a little snack, or you can
What does it say?
put them with milk.
That's just a cinnamon graham.
Is this not just a serving of cereal?
Well, that's what I was wondering. Maybe it comes in the. You don't want to go across it. They're big.
Adam's gonna be laughing at this by eating
Yeah.
it.
I think this is a single serving of cereal. But I bet it's good.
I would get them
or without
boxes.
milk. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I think I have it.
Like it.
I just got it.
So while Oliver checks on the thing, is it ready?
Well, I'll just
Or should we do one more?
do one more.
All right. Whose turn is it? Is
Go
it
this, I think.
you went after me?
Oh, didn't you?
I don't know. Yeah, I did.
We might get some doubles from some things we've already had.
Oh, Lay's deep dish pizza.
Pizza!
Pizza and crisps doesn't get any better than that, does it? Or should I say chips? That's two different things,
Pizza
isn't it?
chips.
Oh,
Is
they're
it?
weird shaped. Like ours are always circular.
Ooh.
So that's a mistake we often make in America when we're asking for
Thank you.
chips and crisps.
Mmm.
I'm not keen on that. But that's because I don't like pizza flavoured stuff.
Oh yeah, I do.
It's really herby.
That's what I like about it.
I want more.
Yeah. So, is that a hit?
Yes.
So far so good.
Yeah. I'm still waiting
Apart
for the
from these
weird
ones.
I
Yeah.
didn't like
Oh, yeah, that
the,
one.
the snack pack.
the snack.
Yeah, that was a bit strange that. Right then. Looking forward to this one, are you? So this was it hot and spicy beef?
Yeah.
Is it spicy though? I don't know.
Well, we will find out.
Right, can I try first?
Yeah, you
You don't eat the whole thing with one mouthful.
Is it spicy hot or temperature hot?
It's temperature hot. There's like a little bit of a kick, but very, very tiny. Taking my jumper off.
Is it that hot?
Temperature wise, it is easy to blow. You nearly burnt your mouth.
I'm going to get everyone's spit.
That's why I want to go first.
Everybody's slurping away at this.
He's hearing going.
I'll just get it from the bottom. Hopefully there's less spit.
Depends how dense everything is, really. This bit could be heavy and go straight to the bottom.
That's good.
I think we all like that, yeah?
Yeah, can I have some more, please? Thank you.
There's going to be a big fight at the end for who got the spot.
I want some more of these, though.
You finished? Right,
Yeah,
so
for
that's a
now.
hit, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah, we're happy with that one.
my turn.
Was it your turn, is it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Shrinky!
Oh, I don't like
Twinkies.
Twinkies.
So they are very similar to that. Well,
Made by the same people?
Same company, yeah. So when I was in America a few years ago, I had these deep fried as a dessert. They were really nice.
I don't think I like Twinkies. I think I've had them before.
I've had them, I don't
Yeah.
like them.
So do you just want to have a bite?
I'll just.
I'll have half.
Yeah.
I'll have them.
You don't like them, but you're going to have half of
I
them.
Yeah,
get
because
half.
it's been a while since I've had them.
Oh.
I just remember watching Wally.
Wally.
Oh, what
I've
is
got
the
them.
middle bit?
It's like a marshmallow cream filling. You got it? Well, don't wait for anybody else. You just stuff your face.
Thank you. Mmm.
No, I like these. You don't like them?
Mm-mm.
What did you like about them?
It's too sweet.
Everything about it.
I'm going to try to deep fry.
No.
Too late. All gone.
Right, so we got 2 yays and 2 nays for that one.
Yeah.
You like that? Yeah, I like that.
Want to go? Oh, this small one.
What is it?
Oreo.
Oreo candy bar.
Is there any more in there?
Oh,
Well, you get your hands out, you.
I'm going to help you.
Maybe not. Feel like I have to share that.
Who likes Oreos?
Me.
Who doesn't like Oreos?
Nah. I can.
Yeah.
Oh, is it not just like the dairy milk?
Oh.
It's just the dairy milk. Not half of it.
Yeah.
No, it's just you know. You get the dairy milk and you just have the Oreo ones.
They're good.
Mm.
It would taste a little better with popping candy in it though.
Popping candy.
I don't think it
Yeah,
will.
imagine if it, imagine how.
That's alright. That's quite nice.
Is that okay?
Everybody like them?
Yeah.
Whose turn is it? Is it mine?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes!
So we have some Pop Tarts,
Oh, cherry.
cherry flavour.
I always get the smallest flavour.
Right, you like s'mores, don't you? I normally get root beer flavoured. What?
I never get.
You get.
I always get Captain Crunch.
You've
I
got
don't like
had
Pop Tarts.
blueberries
Again.
as well, haven't you?
No.
Really, really sweet, I find.
So, should we do these
And
at the
not
end?
what I call a breakfast item.
Well, that could be a snack item as well as breakfast. So should we do these at the end?
I call them all day.
Yeah, you would call them an all day. Right, we'll do that in the end. So who turns it next?
Mine. Oh, I haven't got more noodles. Chicken.
Yes,
Oh.
I love chicken.
Right, so we do them at the end as well,
Okay.
and then we can munch all the hot stuff. Who turns it next?
Right, I do want more noodles though. I'm not eating much.
Ooh, what are these?
Tricks.
Chewits.
Tricks. I think these are sealed as well, fruity
Yeah, I
shapes.
think it's the cereal too.
I have some more these.
Me? Yeah.
So do you want to open these and try these as a little snack like we have did with it?
Yeah.
Alright. So,
Got me
fruit
What does it
flavoured sweetened corn puffs. Fruity shapes.
That's like the
So these are like fruit
the
loops.
hoops. Yeah, the Fruit Loops.
Oh, they're a lot tastier though.
I'm just going to get a couple for maximum flavour. Like this.
Oi.
I'll try for now.
They're actually nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like.
Not what was it? You don't like them?
They'd be good in cupcake frosting.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it, Susie? No.
It tastes like the cheap.
Depends
You know
what
when you
flavour
go
it is.
overnight on a plane and then you get that breakfast, and you get cereal. That's what that tastes like.
What cereal?
No, I think these have got more flavour.
And Susie munching away on the noodles.
Dropping it everywhere.
I thought there was going to be some left at the end.
There'll be some ones left. Not all left.
Right, whose turn is it now?
Mine.
Mine. Mine. We're still expecting one thing, aren't we? Which has not come out yet.
Oh, what's this? This feels interesting.
What is it?
Ooh, what's that?
Oh, is that a Slim Jim?
Yes.
Oh,
it
I love
is.
these. They're well good.
What flavour is it?
Buffalo style.
Oh,
Yeah, I like them. Which
Giant
weird.
slim.
It's
So
like
not really slim then, is it?
it's like a pepperoni, but softer, and the outside is like a plastic.
Again, you're making it sound so appealing.
No, you get what I mean.
I think you just rip it.
What's this peel?
Can I try?
You know that's where they hook it onto at the
Yes.
shops.
I was going to say you could help me.
Oh, while we're waiting for you. Have you done it?
That does actually taste like pizza as well.
We're just taking a bite.
Yeah.
I'll have the last bit because.
What if it doesn't? What does no?
Do you get what I mean? It's like plastic on the outside.
Thank you.
So what flavour was it? Buffalo. Buffalo style.
I think you said it was smoke.
I like that.
You do.
Yeah.
Well, I like that pepperoni stuff and
I see what you mean.
jerky and
I really
stuff,
like
don't
it.
I? No, you're not having all of that in one go.
No.
He had most of it.
It's a lot softer than I was expecting. I thought it was going to be like a hard jerky. But I see what you mean
Like
about
plastic.
the plasticky bit around the
I
outside.
was supposed to eat that plastic bit.
Yeah.
Mm.
That's my favourite thing so far.
Again, I just have everyone's leftovers.
Wow. I wanted that bit. Could have had this bit off and then go, do you want the rest?
So Slim Jim.
Go
Hit.
from-
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I don't want them.
Well, definitely hit. Is that what you're going to do? Who's next? Is it you? Hey?
You?
Me already? Ooh, what's this? Well, I've got two the same. I might have. Ah, Tootsie
Oh,
Roll.
I can't remember.
So we get these in the UK, but they're in like sweet form, aren't they? Like little individual.
Yeah.
So I like these, but I've not had them in a stick format. So should we break a bit off? Half
Or
each.
rip them in half. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go.
First saw it in Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
Very chewy, aren't they?
Well, yeah, I don't like them. It's like clay.
I like these. I like the chewiness and the flavour of them.
There isn't a flavour in them.
What say you? Do you like them?
They're all right.
Yeah.
Whose turn is it?
Mine. Ooh.
What's that? Ooh.
Oh, Sour Patch Kids Extreme something sour.
Right.
And
Sour. We like sour stuff, don't we?
No.
I've already eaten my sour sweets. I've got Christmas, all of them.
All of them.
My cheeks were a bit off. Oh dear.
Anybody else get offered one? Do we sour sweets at Christmas?
Yes.
I don't know. Oh.
Whoops.
Oh, this one.
I'll
Don't want
take a
to
few.
be one. What do you know? It's blue raspberry.
Yeah, I'm going to take a couple as well. So they're just like little jelly babes.
Is your mouth watering?
Extreme. What? I don't ask what happens to.
Okay.
Right. So you ready? Here we go then.
That's sour.
That's not sour.
You should try it. You should give them some
Apple
toxic
flavour.
wastes.
You get the
Oh,
green
the
one.
hard warhead things.
They're American.
Never mind.
I think it's a blue raspberry. I like them. I like
These
sour
aren't
stuff.
sour. They're like coated in sugar.
That those fantastic Haribos.
Made in Canada.
They're not just for you, Susie.
I know.
Mm.
Okay, you've got another one to have.
Yeah, we've got chicken later on.
Can you pass me them, please? I'm going to have some more before Susie tries eating them all.
I'll be
So
one.
no dinner tonight for you two then.
What?
Well, I think it's safe to say the noodles are going down well.
My turn.
Is it your turn? What have we got? Oh, we got
Oh, there was another one.
I
So
thought there might be.
should I do another?
Yeah, we'll say that for in a bit. Oh, what's
Take
that?
5.
It's like a chocolate bar, isn't it?
It's a reef.
5-layer bar.
Caramel, pretzel, peanut butter, chocolate candy bar.
Sounds good.
Someone ate all the noodles.
Someone.
Right, let's try this.
What does it look like? Does it look like a Snickers bar?
That-
Protein.
I don't know.
Looks healthy.
In 2 bits.
It looks healthy, doesn't?
Yeah, like when you go to Darwin Leisure Centre,
Well, the protein.
you can have that bit. Cheers.
Have you seen her heart?
That's what I did.
But she gave me the tiniest bit.
Oh, I'm not selfish. I gave him the biggest bit.
Mm.
Ooh.
Oh, no. It's like,
Got pretzel, peanut butter,
Salty sweet.
caramel.
yeah, that's not for me. That.
Let's say what layers they are.
Nice.
Pretzels, caramel, peanut butter, peanuts, and chocolate.
Mhm.
Oh, nearly right.
No, I'd rather drink this. That's not for me. That.
Who goes it now?
Come on, go.
So was that a hit for 3? 3 out of 4. Well, you can't pick one up, put it down, and pick something else up.
Is it running away? Let me see.
What's that?
Almond Joy.
I don't like almonds.
That was why you picked that up.
Coconut and almond chocolate candy bar.
Right then, let's give it a go, shall we?
Sounds too good, that one actually.
There's, I think there's a piece each.
Got it in.
You're all gone. What was it?
Okay.
That's like a
So-
walnut whip, but
No,
flat
no,
one.
no, I think
Nice.
it's like a bounty with an almond on
Almond.
top.
But is it going to be like their weird chocolate? It's not milky, their chocolate, is it?
No.
Hershey's, I don't like Hershey's.
Oh, it looks
I
like
like Hershey's.
I don't like it.
Oh, yeah.
like a crunchy bounty. But the dark chocolate version.
But again, sweeter.
Not
It's
for,
okay.
not for me that. What about you? Oh, that didn't rate very well, did it? Who's next? Is it me?
Yeah.
Oh,
So by the sounds of it, there's 3 items left. Well, not by the sound, by the feel of it. So, I'm going to go for this one. Which is
gummy bears.
12 flavour gummy bears.
Okay.
Fat free, gluten free, low sodium.
Oh, they're gonna taste horrible. Wait, no, did you know?
So the flavours are cherry, strawberry, mango, pineapple, lemon, orange, green apple, watermelon, pink grapefruit, lime, blue raspberry and grape.
If you
You
eat
can
too
have
many
to
sugar-free gummy bears, they give you diarrhea.
Have you tried that?
No, I've seen that on YouTube
You
though.
can have
It's a
3.
challenge.
Right then. What flavour does everybody want?
Lemon, orange, I want to try the watermelon.
What flavour? Not flavours.
We can have 3 each, yeah, 'cause it's
Just pick one and then see what the flavour
Yeah,
is.
I would like pineapple.
Right,
What smell?
let's dig it out. Something like that?
No.
Alright.
Oh. 12 flavours, but you get about 7 of the same. I want that blue one.
Right, so well, there's cherry because I can smell that from here. Right, 3 each.
What flavour is this?
I'm guessing that's the blue raspberry.
Oh yeah, it smells well good.
Cherry.
Oh, apple, I'm guessing.
Oh, that's the grape one a lot.
Oh, I want a grape.
I love that.
Grape's my favourite.
Right, guessing this is cherry.
They all taste the same.
Same.
Is that my 3rd one?
Mm-hmm.
Guessing it's orange, is it?
I'm hoping it tastes like grape.
I can't differentiate the taste.
Probably because there's so many cherry in there.
Yeah. I think it's overpowered them.
But it's a gummy sweet.
That was a lime.
My turn to choose
What do you think of them?
Alright.
Right, there's 2 things left. I think I can guess what one of them's going to be.
Applesauce.
Oh wait, I want this one.
What? Ooh, what's that?
SpaghettiOs, Frank's.
Okay, so I remember vaguely Adam said something about this. Can we just read the sheet for that one item?
Says pasta with sliced Frank's made with chicken, pork and beef and tomato sauce.
Right, okay, so. So it's got, alright, now we're getting really into the goodness of the taste test. This is 100% one of my favourite things to eat for lunch. Plus, it's so easy and quick to make. Here
You
is
don't
it.
make it! It's in the tin!
Here is exactly how you want to try it. Each you get a spoon, shake the can, pop open the top, scoop out a big spoonful and put it right in your mouth. Yes, eat it cold.
Sounds gross.
It tastes the best cold. Yes, my family cringes every time I do it, but it's so good that way.
No.
He's heated it up in the past. He's heated up in the past and he said it was gross. Trust me, go for it. Plus it says healthy on the box, so it's got to be a good one.
The TV's busted.
See, when I used to go out camping, I used to eat cold beans.
Press stop and press mute.
I'll do my best.
Meat. So when I used to go camping, I used to eat cold beans, so I'm guessing it's going to be a similar sort of taste.
Mummy's gonna get it.
I'm allergic to sausages.
So pasta with sliced Frank's sauce.
Oh, it's got a weird aftertaste.
I'm allergic
Chicken
to weird
pork.
aftertaste.
It's like old cheese. No, you gotta breathe it. You gotta breathe it for a bit.
Well, the sausages are a bit strange.
No, breathe
Is it
it.
in date?
The sausages are really. They're all bitty.
I like it.
Ah, you gotta. Since you tried the spicy stuff,
Make sure you get a sausage.
Yeah,
You get
that's
sausage.
really nice.
not a few. It leaves a weird aftertaste in your mouth.
Really good.
CC, honestly,
It's really good.
I'm going to have another try.
Thank you.
The sausage just sort of crumbles in your mouth.
No, wait till the aftertaste of old cheese.
What are the different sizes of spaghettios?
No, don't like it.
I've got no sausage.
Now normally this would be right up my street, but them sausages are
I
just
know
weird.
exactly what to get Adam next time.
What, pork sausages and beans?
Twiglets.
No, he's already had Twiglets.
Oh, what did you say?
He can't understand why we would eat a
Oh.
branch.
I like twiglets. You have to grow to like them, I think. Or one of the things you like or you don't
No.
like.
Well, I like the spaghettios, but the sausages are just wrong on a number of
How much
scales.
sausages are good?
Okay.
They're all flaky in your mouth. So we got one thing left,
My turn.
I think. It might not even be what we think it is. What is it?
Applesauce cinnamon.
Of all the things that come out at the end. So, do you want to tell the story on that?
Well, I think everyone's heard the story
Go say
before.
it anyway.
So my cousin Sophie was in hospital in Chicago, and Adam very kindly went to visit her, and he took some soft stuff because she couldn't really chew. So he took fruit, and he said applesauce. So bearing in mind he's in America, I'm here in the UK, and I was like, applesauce, the kind that, the condiment, like the one that you put with pork chops. And he was like, what, are you crazy? No, applesauce is full of goodness, it's what we kids eat. It's like, okay, that's really weird. So I sent Adam a jar of Bramley's applesauce, which is completely different, I believe, to the American version of applesauce. So Adam has sent us one to try.
So
Sounds like Christmas.
Adam's put on here, next we have Mott's cinnamon applesauce. Now I know you think we're all weird here in America for eating applesauce, but trust me, our applesauce is delicious. Well, I think we'll be the judge of that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Anyway, we grew up eating applesauce as a child. It makes excellent snack at any point of the day. And he's put, this is not applesauce to use on your roast. So,
It looks like baby
Oh, we
food.
could have spoons in
it
there.
does look like baby food.
I'll get some more clean spoons because we left ours in there.
I'll just pass one on, I'll lick it clean.
I mean, I'll lick mine clean.
This is yours.
Alright.
Thank you.
This is wrong.
I think this is going to be the weird part of the test.
I think this is going to be the good part.
It tastes like, it
Baby
feels like baby food. It's all like loads of bits in your mouth and
It
everything.
smells like Christmas.
That's what I said.
Did you? Is that what you said? Have a smell.
I like
Because
it.
it smells like the cinnamon air fresheners you get round about Christmas time.
That's because it's cinnamon flavour.
But it doesn't taste like.
Oh, it's horrible.
Thank you.
Oh no.
It's good.
No. I mean, it's not awful. It's just, I wouldn't come home from work. I fancy a snack. I know. I'll just get a pot of that. No, that's not a snack.
I think it's been banned in the UK, to be honest. That's why we don't sell it.
Cece can move over to America because she
Yes.
clearly likes everything.
I reckon that would be better on beef.
We'll find out tonight.
Thanks, Adam.
We're not making the
you
other
can
stuff.
keep your applesauce.
Oh yeah, we've got.
Oh,
We make the other noodles, the pop tarts, and we can during that time we can read out what he's written
okay.
about each
Good
one.
idea.
Right.
Do you want to go and make them?
Okay, bring back some more chopsticks, please.
Right, so here we are back again. Oliver's been and heated up the Pop Tarts, cherry flavour. We've actually heated up the SpaghettiOs to see if it makes it taste any better, which we think it might. And was it chicken noodle? Cup noodle. So we've got one of them cooking. Right, so I'm just going to read out some of the things that Adam's put about each thing. We didn't read this out at the start because we didn't want to spoil the surprise, did we? So, the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, which is that one over there. So he's put Cinnamon Toast Crunch is one of the most popular breakfast cereals in America. Most people eat this in a bowl of milk, but I prefer to eat it dry. Either way, you get a great sugar rush. So we liked this one, didn't we? This was a 4 out of 4.
4 out of 4.
5
1,
and
2,
5.
3, 4.
So I'm going to find you who can't count. Is that what we're saying? Okay, next was the tricks. So So I quite like these.
I
So,
like them.
Oh, I don't like them.
Trixie has been popular forever. It's supposed to taste like fruits. Truth is, it tastes like coloured sugar. Well, I would agree with that. Again, most people eat this with milk and then drink the sweet coated sugar milk after the sugar is gone. I think I prefer the Trix than the cinnamon. What about you?
Cinnamon.
I prefer the cinnamon then. Yes, I'm
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
So, Pop-Tarts, which is what we're going to...
Try soon.
Yeah, we can probably try that now, I think. He's put Pop-Tarts as one of his all-time favourite breakfast foods. There's so many flavours, but I know a lot of people think the cherry frosted ones are the best.
Never tried the cherry ones actually.
Now, the correct answer for the best Pop-Tart is the brown sugar cinnamon. But I thought I was picking too many cinnamon selections, so he's got these instead. You can eat these right out of the packet or pop them in the toaster. They prefer cold. We prefer hot, don't we?
Yes.
They've
And
cooled
I
down
prefer
quite a bit now,
small
to be
ones
honest.
as well.
Oh, they have cooled down a bit.
I don't want that much. I just want a tiny bit.
Thank you.
How long have you put them in for?
So I smell burning.
Is that how you cook? Just put stuff in the oven until you can smell burning and then it's ready, is it?
Mmm.
Yeah, look, can see it starting to burn there.
I remember when these first came out in the UK when I was little. I didn't get strawberry ones either with a frosting or without.
I think I prefer the smallest flavour.
In place. I like root beer. Right, so do the Pop-Tarts, do the apple sauce, which was
Horrendous.
that's
Not good.
no. I'm going to put that on the weird section, the apple sauce.
Yeah.
I'd rather eat
I
our
like
apple sauce than that one if I had to spoon feed myself.
So the snack pot, you put snack pack. Unicorn Magic is one of Lola's choice for the box. She loves her pudding, but this is something else. To be honest, we can't quite describe the flavour. Well, you're not wrong there, neither do we. You think with it being pink it may be strawberry or cherry, it's not, it's unicorn flavour. I mean, how anybody knows what unicorn flavour tastes like to begin with is a bit worrying. Disclaimer, this product contains real milk that lasts years on the shelf. Good luck. So, I think we didn't like that one either, did we?
No, it just looks like slime.
I mean,
You could do them
let me get my
ASMR videos
slime
of
just
that.
to compare it.
It smells like plastic slime.
Right. That's obviously what unicorns are made of, plastic slime. But I think we're going to put that on the weird
Yeah,
section.
definitely.
Cece's just going to wait to get her plastic slime to see if there's any resemblance.
It's got peas in it.
So now we've put in here now for some savoury treats. The first up was the Slim Jim. Right, let's do this little test first. Is that your?
Yes. Pink slime.
Does it smell the same?
I reckon that smells better.
Just smell that.
I'm not smelling it though.
We'll just start eating that. So the Slim Jim, beef jerky strips found in gas stations and truck stops across the US. The Buffalo Star one is a personal favourite with Adam. Gives you a little kick. Really wakes you up on the long road trips.
Oh, well, I do like this though.
That was nice. Did we all like that one, didn't we?
Yeah.
Right, SpaghettiOs.
Warmed up.
We've already mentioned that, so should we...
Try.
Oh, that's be alright. I'm going to try the sausage because that was disgusting before. See if it's any better. Although I don't want 3.
Thank you.
No. Spaghetti's alright, but the...
It does taste like feet.
Why do you taste feet? Is that
Well,
is that
when,
what
Do
you
you
snack
lick
on,
your
is
own
it?
feet?
when I
Do
bite
you
my
lick your own
toenails,
feet?
sometimes the cheese just gets in my mouth.
You are disgusting.
And then the ramen, he's put... In the last bottle we sent him a pot noodle, which he thought was quite good. I'm sending our version of that. I have a chicken flavour and his personal favourite, which was a hot spicy beef, which we had before, which was really nice. They're a staple college diet of any young adult. And you can get a cup like that for 25 cents.
College?
That's
Do you get to go away for college?
As
yeah?
in university.
Yeah,
Alright.
I'm guessing it's a staple food because it's only 25 cents. So you can save all your money for other things. Let me know what you think how they compare to our pot noodles. I mean, I'd prefer them.
I
Yeah.
prefer them. It's
But-
more, it's the texture of the noodles.
Yeah, I think the pot noodles have probably got more taste, although it's probably artificial. What's that one like?
Yeah,
Is,
why
this,
do you bite and leave it all in? Spit.
is it temperature hot? Is that what?
Yeah, but that one's a
That's
bit.
not spicy, is it? Though?
I don't think the other one was spicy.
That one's a bit bland. Got like no flavour to it.
We could have had some good sugar.
Really like these.
I can tell. Mm. I think between the pot noodle and these, I prefer these.
What?
I prefer pot noodles.
Just the texture.
Ah, that's hot.
Oh, Cece! I'm not eating it now. Did you see what she did?
It'll slurp back in.
And just spat it all back in.
She's done that on purpose so she can have the rest of it to herself.
Yeah, no one else can have it now.
I will. I'm not bothered.
It was hot.
Well, I didn't tell you.
Excuses.
Right, so in the meantime, Oreo, which we found another one of, he's heard UK Oreos taste different, and he doesn't know if that's the case, so he sent one over for us to try. These are one of Gianna's favourite candy bars.
No.
We thought they tasted the same, didn't we?
Apart from the chocolate tastes different because they don't use. What do they? Do not use milk.
I think the fat content, is it?
I thought it was the cocoa they used.
Oh.
Was it not the cocoa? I don't know.
It does
But maybe
taste
Adam
different.
can answer that one. And then the other thing we tasted was the Take 5 candy bar.
That was a bit weird, that one.
It's one of his favourites. It is chocolates, peanuts, pretzels, caramel and peanut butter.
It's that salty, sweet, crunchy, different gooey.
How can you go wrong with that? Well, I'd say that's gone wrong. That's not just yours, you know, because you've spat it back in. Almond Joy, here's a selection from his wife's favourite candy bar. The Almond Joy bar has almonds, coconuts, chocolate. Delicious.
No.
No, we weren't that keen on that either, were we?
No.
Sour Patch. Here's an example, another one from Lola. She loves sour candy. This is really sour.
No, it's
That's
not.
sour. That's extreme. He's not a fan, but he knows they're popular. I think we need to send across some of our extreme sour.
The one
All over.
Susie got me on toxic waste.
Yeah, we'll do another parcel and we'll send some across there. Yeah. Tootsie Roll. Here is an interesting fact: the flavour of Tootsie Roll is chocolate. Yeah, there's no chocolate in Tootsie Roll. Very interesting. That just pretty much sums everything up. I have to meet someone who doesn't like them though. I like them. Did you
I
like
like
them?
them.
You don't like them.
I didn't like them.
Well, there's two for you.
It tastes like clay.
So you know that you make a habit of eating clay. I love clay.
Maybe it's for like old people. That's why the younger ones didn't like it.
Rude.
Next was the Albanese gummy bears. Albanese are the best gummy bears in the world. You'll agree once you have one.
No.
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 The Haribo's ones are better.
Yeah.
Definitely not. They all tasted the same, didn't they? Pretty much.
Too squidgy.
Snowballs, you remember them right at the start? So it's called, I
Snowballs.
hope you like Coke, don't, because we have more of it here. Hostess Snowballs are a chocolate cake with a creamy filling and coconut and marshmallow topping. I used to eat loads of these when I was little. I
I
quite
like them.
I
I
quite
like
like them.
an idiot calling them snobbles now. Like the W.
Snobbles, as it's known in our house. I quite like them. And then the Twinkies.
I like them.
You didn't like them, did you? Like the Twinkies?
Don't like.
A snack sponge cake that will last through the
I
apocalypse.
think I prefer our mini rolls, if that was the equivalent.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or the tonics.
Have you sent them Jaffa cakes?
No.
No.
But I think
You have to ask them if it's a cake or a biscuit.
That's good.
It's a Jaffa cake, a cake or a biscuit.
But he doesn't know because he's never had one.
so we'll put one in your next box so you can answer that question. Then the Cheetos, which we had. He loves cheddar jalapeno Cheetos.
Yeah, these are good.
Very cheesy yet very spicy, so tasty. Be prepared for some heartburn about an hour after eating these.
Also, their biscuits in America are different, aren't they? They're not biscuits
Yeah,
as
they're
we know them.
Oh yeah.
They're cookies.
Well, they have cookies. Their biscuits are like savoury, aren't they? It's like
Yeah.
what you have with gravy in.
Yes.
Also wrong.
Oh, I don't mind.
Their gravy was awful.
And then last thing was the pizza crisps. He's put lastly in Chicago we are known for a few foods. Chicago is known for the hot dogs with everything on them, Italian beef and deep dish pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. Deep dish pizza. Now he can't send any of them, but he's done the next best thing, and he sent us them.
Yeah, I've eaten most of them actually.
You've eaten most of everything.
I don't know how much.
So they're only sold at a Subway, and there's none near him, so you have to walk miles to get them for us.
It's dedication. Thanks, Adam.
So yeah, he's quite interested to see the video. So, what do we think the favourite was out of everything?
Shall we say
Slim
each
Jim.
of ours favourites individually?
Top 3.
Okay,
Right.
your top 3.
Alright, so number 1 would be this, the Slim Jim.
Yeah.
Number 2 would be these.
Yeah.
And then number 3 probably be these.
Well, interesting. What's your least favourite?
The unicorn goop.
Snack pack.
Shoes
Well-
Ellie's in. What's yours?
My favourites were the ramen, obviously, the Slim Jim, and I would say these as well.
Okay.
And my least favourite is
Plastic goop.
the plastic slime, definitely.
Okay, so this is my favourite.
Second favourite, the other noodles.
Cinnamon crunch. And the third favourite was the snowballs.
Not even the Pop Tarts.
I prefer the smallest flavour.
Okay.
So what didn't you like?
So that's another vote for this.
Okay, my top 3 would be
Do you reckon
Slim
you could
Jim.
get them in the UK somewhere?
I actually like the Take 5